This means there's these penguins, right? The
Yeah,
babies?
they said that they're trying to break their fear.
Here we are at the Grand Canyon, getting ready to start the road trip.
Oh, no, not for the trail.
I mean, sorry, we're on the road trail, starting Bright Angel, going down to Indian Garden.
You don't Indian sound Garden's that
way
down there.
We are on the road trail. On our way to Indian Gardens. Okay, here we go. We're coming up to the first tunnel. Destination, that green patch at the bottom. Aaron and Mike coming down. Going down. Okay, coming up to the second tunnel. Hello. Yeah, I guess we should. Hi, Grayson. There's the Grand Canyon. Okay, here we are about 1.5 miles in. Heading down to there. Hey guys, how you doing? How far are you going?
All the way.
Oh, good man. Maybe we'll see you down there. Okay, here we are at 1.5 rest house. The boys are up there in the little house with Dylan. Wave, guys. And look at the view. That's where we're headed, down on that plateau where that little trail is. Okay.
Are you going to do a headstand?
Somebody is?
Yeah, look, on the
Down
rock.
there? Oh, yeah. There's Nana coming down.
Look, guys, somebody's made
Right
a
by the guest
handstand off
house.
the-
Hi, Gray.
Oh my God.
Say hi. You made it to 1.5 miles.
In 30 minutes.
Is that what it was?
I don't know, but it was
Wow.
33.
No stove. Come on.
We have to wait for Mommy and Nana.
Wait for Mommy.
Mommy's using
Waiting
the
for
bathroom.
Nana.
We're gonna have to wait.
Nana's trucking. She's doing good.
That's a picture and a half right there. Yeah.
There's some people, I don't know if you can see it, somebody did practicing their yoga down there on the plateau.
Nana!
Out on the cliff. That trail is where we're headed. Over the edge of that trail is the Colorado River.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Okay, here we are. There's Dylan and the boys, and Amelia and Emma, and Mike behind me. We're coming up on our 3-mile bathroom right there. I don't know if you can see it by the point. And almost Indian Garden. You can see Riley, Ronan, and Dylan going to the 3-mile house. You can see the trail that we're taking down to Indian Garden, which is a green patch of trees. Look back up to where we've been climbing. You can see, there's Mikey. Wow, look at that. Amazing.
Roll in there?
Hi.
Just walking
Hi.
around.
Yeah, you don't feed them now.
Hi.
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 Hi,
Hi.
Look at where we just climbed up from. Holy smokes. Climbed down from, I mean.
Emma, did you want this one or the spread? That one. Let's look for Nana.
This is tremendous.
Oh, there's some pictures of this one here. Oh, my hands are actually swollen now.
They do. They do swell.
Is that normal?
Yep, it's totally normal.
Oh,
60 degrees. Hey kids, look up. Hey buddy. Check this out. Hopefully it's getting some kind of video here because my battery's dying. But this is just amazing. There it is. We made it. The mighty Colorado ripping fast. Holy smokes. That was a hard climb down. Now we got to start climbing up. Okay. Battery's low, so I'm shutting it off. Whoa, look at the caves. Holy smokes. Check it out. This is what it looks like down at the Colorado. That is some green water. Dylan and Mike down on the beach. And up the river. These mountains. Wow. The lizard made it too.